Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some party outfits inspired by New Year's outfits. Happy 2022 to you. Anyways, it is cold, so I am gonna try to keep it, cozy, because I see a lot of cute outfits, but they're like teeny tiny skirts or dresses, and I will freeze in them. So let's get to it. First outfit is obviously inspired by pink champagne, and this is how it looks. The skirt is the main character in this outfit. I love the heels. And then obviously we have this like blush rosy long sleeve shirt because we don't want to freeze. And then obviously it's gonna be really cold, so if you are going out, you want to do a little jacket. I have this little vest right here. And then I'm not a fan of matching the purses with the outfits because I do feel like they get lost in the outfit, but I am gonna do this one because this whole outfit is kind of like a blush nude, champagne colored. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. Okay, so here we have outfit number 2, and we have this sparkly shirt. It's like a sequined shirt, and it has a little 22. I don't know if you can see it. So cute. It changes to silver and rose gold, so I went ahead and I did a little 22 there. So this is super festive. You could pretty much write anything and everything on this shirt. I love it. I've had it for the longest time ever. And then I'm wearing these high-waisted pants that have a little flare on the bottom. And because it's gonna be cold, I have this little jacket here. And I decided to do a black little shoulder purse. And this is how outfit number 2 is looking. We have this shimmery black shirt. You can't see a lot of the shimmer, but it's there. It's see-through, that's why I'm wearing like a black bra underneath. We have these lovely pants again with the shoes. And I decided to just like style these pants heavily today because if it's cold, you definitely want like longer pants. This outfit is going to be a little more elegant, more mature. Maybe you're going out with your co-workers and you want to keep it, classy, yet very cute outfit. I am going with this little purse again. It's just so easy to carry because it's nice and small. Not so small though. I just can't with little tiny purses. They're just too small. If I can't fit my phone in it, it's not a purse. Anyway, this is the outfit. Let me actually put this on. This is how it would look. You can either wear it like this, of course, or just on the shoulders. This is going to be the final outfit. We have leather pants with pointy booties and this really pretty silver shirt. This is definitely more of a clubbing outfit, so probably going out with your friends or something like that. I'm actually going to use this purse again. I feel like this has to be the purse used because it doesn't have a lot of other colors. Like most of my black purses have color. Like this one has gold, and I just don't think it would look cute because if this is a silver outfit. So this little tiny purse, and then to go with it, I have this leather jacket. It's back there. But I felt like the leather would be just too much because the pants are already leather. And so this fabric is the same as the shoes. It's kind of like a soft suede type of jacket. I do have a sparkling perfume. Let me show it to you. So it's this perfume here. I'm not gonna wear it right now because I'm not going out. Smells delicious and has a little shimmery sparkle So what I would do is I would spray this all over so that my shoulders and my arms would look very, very sparkly. So when you do go out and you have a lot of exposed skin, especially if it's your birthday or you're celebrating New Year's, glitter, 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 glitter. I also have this glitter brush. It's like a body glitter brush. So you kind of twist, and then more glitter comes out. And this is also like a white shimmery glitter. That would be really, really cute. Just put it on. Whew. This is how you would wear it. This is definitely a baddie outfit. Okay, so we still have the natural sunlight and I still had time, so I decided to do an extra outfit. So it's going to be a bonus little clip of the video. Since we did an all blush and pink and all black outfit, let's do an all white outfit. I have this shirt that I've never worn before because I thought it was completely white. It looked white online, and then I received it and it has like this shimmery, like a rainbow color, you know. You see it? Because I see it. Anyway, so I styled it with this cute little white skirt and then these pointy white shoes that I feel like I could use new pointy white shoes. These are just a little old. And of course a white purse, you know, so all white outfit. And then of course, because it's gonna be cold, we have this here. It's like a nude. Hearing strange noises, but okay. Anyway, I'm doing this beige coat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite on the comments below, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just want to tell you that there were definitely strange noises in my bedroom and my cat wasn't in here. So I was freaking out because I'm like, there are monsters under my bed for sure. But I kept it cool and I tried to finish the video. Okay, here's Monster. She's right there. She was in the closet trying to escape.